Performance that stands the test of time. Rising above the competition and achieving the pinnacle of power. In the world's new and tougher driving environments, you need the confidence of cutting-edge technology and expertise at the heart of your engine. ENEOS are leaders in the development of intelligent lubricants. Japanese forward-thinking, pioneering future motion. All-new API SP ILSAC GF6 engine oil of ENEOS is leading engine oil innovation. The rapid growth of turbocharged gasoline direct injection engines is delivering high-spec power and efficiency. Facing challenges of greater engine power density, higher working temperatures and increased pressure, the oil at the heart of the engine is working harder than ever before. Preventing damage, protecting performance. Low-speed pre-ignition events, so-called LSPI, are severe abnormal combustions which occur in GDI and TGDI engines when engines rapidly accelerate from a low RPM. Fuel and lubricant droplets or carbons in the combustion chamber ignite before normal spark plug ignition. In some cases, the piston cracks and the engine is severely damaged. ENEOS's API SP ILSAC GF6 engine oil is specially formulated for excellent LSPI prevention. As evolution in engine design drives performance, lubricant technology is innovating. Most new vehicles are equipped with timing chains for precision piston synchronization. In today's GDI and TDGI engines, these chains are working in more extreme conditions than conventional engines. Increased soot contamination and higher loads, combined with lower lubricant viscosity, can lead to increased chain wear and the risk of costly damage to the engine. ENEOS's API SP ILSAC GF6 engine oil is precision designed for enhanced chain wear protection and anti-oxidation performance. Sustainability, reduced emissions and stricter operating requirements are driving change worldwide. ENEOS's API SP ILSAC GF6 engine oil helps you navigate these evolving regulations with power and performance. Gasoline particulate filters installed in the exhaust systems of new models of passenger cars remove small but harmful particles from exhausted gases. During the life of a vehicle, these filters also collect combustion byproducts such as ash, which can lead to GPF blockage, back pressure increases, more fuel is consumed, power is lost. ENEOS's API SP ILSAC GF6 engine oil contains low ash levels and is specifically designed to protect your filter and the environment. Its scientifically blended low viscosity minimizes blockage, allowing the GPF to continue working effectively for the vehicle's lifetime, reducing the need for expensive replacements. ENEOS is the force behind the constant evolution of low-viscosity engine oils, delivering the power of intelligent motion. ENEOS's API SP ILSAC GF6 technological formula, created by science, approved by mechanics, trusted by customers. Excellent fuel economy performance and with no compromise on durability and protection, refined by passion, defined by people. The pinnacle of expertise. Japan quality. ENEOS.